Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Huzaini bin Muhammad Yusri. My Madrid number is 056889 and my supervisor is Encik Sufian bin Matris. Welcome to my presentation. So today I am going to present about my FYP, that is SPKINI for Museum Arkeologi Lembah Bujang. So we start with the introduction. As you know, COVID-19 pandemic has shocked the world, which has caused movement to a limited place. Many sectors affected as a result of this pandemic include the tourism sector. So, as an alternative measure, ARSPKINI is developed for those focused on the tourism sector. The application is specially developed for local and foreigner tourists. ARSPKINI is to make it easy for tourists to access and study the historical place on the museum. The method that used in this AR is mark-based, which is the user need to have a flashcard to be scanned using a smartphone. As a result, with just a piece of a flashcard and a smartphone, user will have an incredible experience by seeing the 3D model that related to the museum. The information and audio also included in the application. Okay, we move to the objective. First, to design augmented reality mobile application related to Museum Arkeologi Lembah Bujang. Second, to develop 3D model based on Museum Arkeologi Lembah Bujang to have further enhance the tourism sector in the district. And last is to test the effectiveness of the ARSPKINI application so that it can be developed carefully and successfully. So, what is the contribution for this application? First one is the tourists can interact with the application to learn about museum. Second, user can feel the experience and gain the info about the museum by way of visualization and interaction in the application. So this is the framework for my application, which is they have four main things in these apps. So they have the application need a user, devices, a flashcard, and a cloud, which is I use Vuforia. Next, they have three main software that I use to develop this application, which is first is Adobe Photoshop, second Autodesk Maya, and last is Unity 3D. Okay, so this is my Unity workspace to develop the apps. Basically, I have four scenes for overall to for the application. So let's look to the main page first. So this one is my main page. Yes, for the main page scene, I put four canvas, which is for the main page, map, and for the credit. So let's move to the camera scenes. So this one is my camera scene. So this is the 3D model that I developed, which when we scan the image, the 3D will appear. So I have a four model that I developed by my own self. So this is the info scene, which is they have a few of information about the Chandi. So I open one. So this is the example about the information that will appear when you click the info button. Okay, so this is the step scene, which is they have 4 steps for overall, which the user need to read the step until the last page. So the exit button will appear only on the last page. This is to make sure the user read the step by step until the last. So they have a few script that I use to develop this app. Okay, this is the background music that I put when we open the apps. This is the exit from camera, which is the script can be used to move scene and exit from the apps. This script is okay. This is a open link script, which is I link the Google Drive to with this app. Okay, this is setting menu thing. This one is sound manager for the sound that I will put in this application. Okay, this is a trackable event handler, which is to track the sound when we scan the image. Okay, so now I will show my complete apps. So let's open the app first. Okay, this is a main page, which is they have 4 button for overall. Start button, download flashcard button, credit button, and exit button. So if you can hear, they have background music when we open the apps. So the first thing we need to do is to download the flashcard first. So I click the second button, card, and they have we'll go to the link, Google Drive link. So okay, they have 4 flashcard that we need to download to use for this app. Okay, let's get back to the apps. Okay, this one is a credit button, which it will appear developer and supervisor. Let's get back. Okay, so let's start for the camera. Okay, this one is a camera scene. Okay, when you scan it, the 3D model will appear and they have some animation. If you can see, the cloud is the animation, and they have text which tell which candi you scan it, and the sound for the candi pendiat will also appear when you scan. So move to the second map, third map.
Pangkalan Bujang.
So before I forget, we can zoom in use 2 fingers. We can zoom in the model or zoom out. You by only use your fingers. Okay, so this map, the last map, the last image that for the scan. So before I forget, they have a function, the sound button, that is we can close or open. Okay, this function is function. Okay, so they have they have how to play button. So this one is a step by step button only. So we just swipe up, swipe it, and the last step will appear the exit button. So if you want to know about the information for the candi, we can choose the info button, and they have a choice to choose what candi you want to know. For example, I choose Candi Penjat. So the information will appear when you choose it, and you can read it. So this one is only 2 page. So let's get it. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening my FYP presentation. I hope you guys ever listening it. So assalamualaikum. Bye bye.